So now we will run through the transfer stations that we need to input in the system. You click next and next, and yes, you would like to create them. In here, for example, you give the name of an airport or a train station, and you specify the product lines which this is offered for. Here it's important you click on new, and you specify, let's say, the seasons this is offered in. You can also just select this because this would be the important season all year round. Then here's the product line. Here you specify individual, it's an individual transfer or collective or meet and greet, and the transfer routes. So let's say here. In here you have the accommodation that you have set up. I've only set up the host family, but you would also select all of the accommodations that you offer this transfer for. And you can see it in here. Then you click on next and you will see all of the transfer locations that you have set up in here. You please go ahead and create all of the transfer stations that you have. In the end, again, you click no.